Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on the last day of March in the year 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 25th of March, 2025, our system has ranked SOXL as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -7.83. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. The ETF experienced a loss of -22.38%. This equates to an average loss of -4.48% per day since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund lies at the lower end of a very wide and declining trend in the short term, which may indicate a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $13.93 is breached, it will signify an increased rate of decline. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 36.97% over the next 3 months, with an anticipated return ranging from a decline of 44.95% to a slight decrease of 1.25%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -37.99%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between a decline of 70.95% to an increase of 84.72% over the coming year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $4.63 and $29.46. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, High Volatility in SOXL ETF Price on Monday, which ended trading at $15.95. The SOXL ETF price fell by nearly 0.5% on the last day, which was Monday, the 31st of March, 2025, from $16.03 to $15.95. It has now fallen for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated by 10.95%, ranging from a low of $14.40 to a high of $15.98. The price has decreased in 8 of the last 10 days, resulting in a decline of 23.28% during this period. Interestingly, volume decreased along with the ETF, which is a positive sign, as volume should generally follow the ETF's movement. On the last day, trading volume dropped by 27 million shares, and in total, 110 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.76 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.40. Currently, the price is 77.24%, or $54.13, below the 52-week high, and 95.78%, or $362.29, below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price reached $378.24. The Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange-Traded Fund, commonly referred to as SOXL, is currently experiencing significant downward pressure, with a price of $26.30. This represents a 62% decline from its peak in 2024. This reversal can be primarily attributed to a cooling artificial intelligence market, a sector that had previously driven semiconductor stocks to unprecedented heights. Analysts are becoming increasingly skeptical about SOXL, pointing out rising competition, especially from custom graphics processing units developed by tech giants such as Google and Amazon. This competition could further squeeze profit margins for semiconductor companies, worsening the fund's underperformance. Additionally, SOXL's consistent tracking errors suggest inefficiencies, which may deter long-term investors who are seeking dependable returns. While some market participants view the current situation as a potential buying opportunity amid the prevailing panic, the overall sentiment leans toward caution. The semiconductor sector despite its essential role in economic growth, may encounter a challenging recovery in the near term. In the long run, if competition continues to intensify and the excitement surrounding artificial intelligence does not rebound, SOXL could struggle to recover its lost ground. Investors should carefully consider the volatility of the exchange-traded fund against these emerging risks, particularly given the heightened exposure associated with leveraged instruments like SOXL. The following signals have been identified for SOX. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The SOXL ETF currently holds sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. Additionally, there is a general sell signal resulting from the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance from the levels at $18.48 and $22.54. A breakout above either of these levels will trigger buy signals. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Monday, the 24th of March, 2025, and so far, it has decreased by 24.05%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Volume decreased alongside the price during the last trading day, which lowers the overall risk, as volume is expected to follow price movements. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 6 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 71 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages indicates a buy signal 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 7 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal 28 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages shows a buy signal 163 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. There is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Given the right conditions, this exchange-traded fund may perform poorly in the coming days. This ETF is prone to significant daily movements and, with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.58 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 10.95%. In the past week, the average daily volatility for the ETF has been 8.95%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for the SOXL ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $17.41. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a strategic point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the ETF could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and no stop-loss has been established. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? SOXL is showing several negative indicators and is currently in a broad and declining trend. Therefore, we anticipate it will continue to perform poorly in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this ETF. After examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Tuesday, the 1st of April, we expect SOXL to open lower by 508 cents, starting at $15.44. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.